This cushion looks weird. Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about my brand new hair extensions. Now, as you can see on the camera, these extensions are absolutely fucking amazing. I've just had them fitted in yesterday actually, and I just could not be happier with what they look like. Colour is just coming off so kind of icy, kind of blonde. I've actually got a ring light today, it actually arrived. So I'm filming with my ring light, so everything's a bit better. So it's kind of making it a bit more icier, but oh, I just so love it. I'm so happy with my hair. First of all, I want to say hi to everyone. Hope everyone's having a really, really good day today. I am just filming today and I'm just going to chill out. I've had a really, really busy week. Yesterday I was in the salon for about 6 hours, but it went by so fast because the company I was with was just really out of this world. Something wrong with my eyes. And just, we had such a laugh doing my hair. It was so fun. And it was just really, really amazing. The girl who did my hair, I love her to pieces. She's such a nice person. We just had such a laugh. And I will insert some pictures actually of what my hair looks like and what it looks like now. And the transformation was just absolutely unreal. I seriously cannot believe that that was my hair. Like, the hairdresser said that my hair was really, really in good condition because I used to have tape-ins, and even though I loved them, my hair was quite short because went blonde, but basically by myself, which I would never, ever recommend anyone do because your hair can literally just fall out, which it did with me. So basically, I bleached my hair and it fell out. So I literally had to start from scratch. My hair was so bad. I don't know if I've got any pictures actually I can show you. But it was literally like a tufty up here. And it just, I used to have like clip-ins for a while, and it just, oh my God, it was the worst thing ever. So then I discovered tape-ins when my hair was about this short, and I thought, right, that's the way forward because it's too small for micro beads. So I've been having tape-ins ever since. So now my hair's up to here. The tape-ins tend to get a bit janky, and it just gets really matted really easily. It just doesn't look very nice at all. Like the glue kind of just separates from itself. So these are actually, if I can show you at the top, these are bonded extensions. So they have a little bead on them. Can you see there? That's one there. And they're done so discreetly and so easy. You can get different kind of beads to match your hair. I mean, look at my hair. How fucking amazing does it look? You can get different beads to match your hair. So I had kind of, obviously the blonde beads. And you can't see them. I can put my hair up and it doesn't look, because with the tape-ins, I really struggled putting my hair up because you could see the tracks. I'll just show you the back. I don't know how well it blends, because obviously it blends this morning, because obviously it's not been Salon done, it was only yesterday. So this is the back. I'll just show you from the back too. It is just unbelievable. So gorgeous. I hope you saw there. If not, I've got some pictures that I'll insert just throughout this video so you can see. So I had 150 grams, no, 150, yeah, I think it's 150 grams of Russian, is it Russian tip, what is it called? Russian Lux extension. So it's Russian hair and it's thick and gorgeous. And I've got mine in 20 inches. And this is just long enough. Obviously it's curls, so it does look a bit shorter, but I just could not be happier with the process. As you can see, my roots are just completely top to bottom, one colour, very ashy, very blonde, very champagne. And this is the colour I've always wanted. Oh, my nails, before I forget, I have just had my nails done too. And as you can see, they're like kind of nude pink, kind of beigey colour. Is it beige? Like a pinky kind of nude. And I just love them. They're so gorgeous, aren't they? So beautiful. And I love the shape too. Very long and pointy and not pointy. Very long and coffin-like. And I just love them. I think this is a really good colour. I don't know what I was thinking with that disgusting pink. And also I've had my lips done, but there'll be a separate video for that. And I could not be happier with them as well. They're so nice. So it's been kind of a maintenance week, really. My hair, my nails, my lips. The Botox is settling in really well. As you can see there, amazing. I just feel like a brand new person. So I feel really happy and just grateful that I can do all these amazing things. So I've just remembered about the beads. They really hurt on a night. So if you were getting some beads, then just be really mindful to, you know, when you go to bed, not to turn too much. But the pain, you know, it's no pain, no gain, because I kind of like the feeling that it's, you know, a bit painful because you know that they're really secure, the extensions. So I'm just really over the moon. Can't believe how my hair looks on camera. It's such a beautiful kind of white gold, white silver kind of. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I'm just in love. Just such gorgeous, stunning hair. So now none of you can say that I haven't blended my extensions in anymore, because I've had a few comments that say that and I don't like that. It's really rude. But I was trying not to get bleach in my hair because, you know, not to let it sit for too long because my hair was so short. It was like kind of a catch-22. So that's why I maybe didn't leave the bleach on as long as I you know, as long as it should have been on. God, I can't speak today. So my extensions have been toned, and when I got out of when the lady was doing my hair and she toned it, I literally thought it was black because toner comes off really dark. So I had kind of a mini breakdown. Anything else to say to you guys? Thank you for watching my videos and keep on watching them. I've not actually been filming this week because I've just been so busy with life. But I'm going to get back on it. I'm going to get back filming for you guys and just get back with my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for all your support. I know I say it every single time, but I really do appreciate it. I love YouTube. It's like my little, you know, escape, my little getaway. I can just, you know, watch my videos and relax and be my own kind of vibe. I love YouTube for that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've not rambled on too much. I'm literally not going to be able to stop touching my hair now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I next upload. But I don't actually think YouTube's doing that anymore, because I used to get texts on my, not texts, I used to get notifications on my phone when someone notified me, you know, when someone uploaded a video, and I don't get that anymore, so, but do it anyway. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.